Canon recognized with highest A score for its climate change activities from CDP. HP's anti-counterfeiting team successfully seizes fake printing consumables in India. HYB toner breaks new ground with HYB UT PK5020 and HYB UT PK5021 compatible toner kits. Epson recognized on CDP A list under 2 categories. Katun introduces toner waste toner container and document feeder maintenance kit. Ricoh announces 2024 print industry price increases. Xerox completes A4 printer engine transition by embracing Lexmark Chinese technology. Polyton plans to manufacture and launch top-class digital offset printer inks in 2024. How Impression Products is changing the printing industry with eco-friendly Reman toner. Kyocera recognized on CDP's A List 2023 for transparency in combating climate change. For more information, please visit www.imagingsolution.in.